Hey friends, welcome back to HTML plus CSS in action. This is day 15 and today we're building a responsive image gallery with a smooth hover zoom and gradient overlay effect. I'll start by showing 4 images first, and then I'll add 4 more later off camera, since the process is the exact same. Let's begin. Let's start by creating our gallery section. I'll give it 2 classes, Gallery and Grid, since we'll be using CSS Grid to arrange our images. Inside the section, we'll add 4 div elements with the class name box-these. We'll hold our images. Then I'll define the columns using Grid Template Columns. Repeat autofit, min-max 250 pixels, 1 fraction. This line makes our layout automatically adjust. It fits as many 250 pixel boxes per row as the screen can hold. I'll also add a gap of 20 pixels between each image, set a dark blue background, and add some padding around the grid. Next, let's style each image box. I'm selecting .grid.box, setting its position to relative so we can layer effects later. Then I'll hide anything that goes outside the box using Overflow Hidden, and round the corners slightly with a border radius of 12 pixels. Now we'll style the images themselves. Each image should stretch to fill its box, so I'll set both width and height to 100%. I'll also make it display block to remove unwanted spaces, and add a smooth transition so the hover zoom effect feels natural. Now for the fun part. Let's create a subtle turquoise gradient overlay. I'll use a : after pseudo element to layer it on top of each image. We'll position it absolutely to cover the entire box using inset 0. Add a linear gradient that fades from transparent to turquoise. And start with an opacity of 0 so it's invisible until we hover. Finally, let's make it interactive. When we hover over any image box, we'll scale the image slightly using Transform. Scale 1.08. That gives it a smooth zoom-in effect. At the same time, we'll fade in our turquoise gradient by setting its opacity to 1. And that's it. A clean, responsive image gallery with a modern hover effect. And there you have it. Our Day 15 project is done. A beautiful, responsive image gallery with a hover zoom and gradient overlay. If you want to add more images, just duplicate one of the div boxes. The grid will automatically adjust. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily HTML plus CSS in action projects. See you tomorrow.